Today I'm going to be showing you all the floral jewelry products that are made by me. Before getting started with the video, I have to make sure about one thing. That is, so the first pink jewelry is this necklace. So guys, who will be my first customer? They'll get getting logged into the Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Manjushree N Hotti getting logged into the video. So guys, I know it's been a very long gap since I filmed a video. And no, something noise was coming from outside. It always comes whenever I have to film a video. So apart from that, so guys, it's been a very long gap since I've filmed a video, and of course probably in May I have uploaded continuously. Like I was trying to be consistent from March end after completing my 12th board exams, and after completing my 12th board exams, from March end I thought to be consistent on my YouTube channel, and continuously I have uploaded 6 videos like for 2 weeks, I think so, if I'm not wrong. And the recent video, that was visiting Ram Mandir. If you haven't watched it, then I'll make sure to link it here in the I button so it becomes easy for you to check. After visiting that temple, I fell ill. I was suffering from chicken pox, and then I got well, and again I have to face another exam. So after completing that, again from May 22 I have got holiday from everything, okay. And today today it's July 2. July 2. So today I've got time to film a video. Sorry guys for not being consistent on my YouTube channel. And so without any bakwas, let's start this video. So guys, as you have already seen the title and the thumbnail of this video, today I'm going to be showing you all the floral jewelry products that are made by me. And those all are handmade products. So before getting started with the video, I have to make sure about one thing. That is all these floral jewelry products are available for sale. Yes, you heard it right. So I have created a handle along back, so you can I'll just mention it here. This is my Insta handle account for especially I have created a account for store. You can go and view my page. If you would wish to buy, then you can DM me on my Instagram. So I'll not be available on YouTube because it's not public, but Insta would be a better place for more inquiries. So yeah, so let's get started. So before getting started with today's video, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, and click the bell icon to not miss any updates from my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So the first jewelry is this yellow jewelry, simple jewelry. This comes with 4 flowers. You can wear as a choker only. Obviously. So this is a choker and a pair of earrings. I hope you can see them. And the last one is this mantika. So that's it for this set. So this is just one choker, 2 earrings and 1 mantika, and that's it. I've actually created the short and reels. You can go and check it out. I just mentioned it here in the I button. So let's move on to the second one. That is kind of little bigger than this set. That comes like this. So the first jewelry in this red pink jewelry is this necklace. This is how it's look. This is how it looks. And you'll get 2 baju buns, like hand bands, you can say. Where will tie all of these here? And you can also tie them here as well. It looks pretty good if it tied here on the wrist. Again, the pair of earrings. It comes like this. 2 red flowers and 1 pink flower. And this Mang Tika. It comes like an earring. And the last one is this ring, my all-time favorite. So this is the second product. This is also available for sale. So guys, who will be my first customer, they'll get 50 rupees off for any of the product. Like if this is for 300 rupees, you'll get it for just 250. I have actually fixed a price for this. You can go and check in my Instagram page. So, and the third one, let's move on to the third one. So the third floral jewelry that I'm gonna be showing you right now is that you have already familiar, it's already popular, that is Radha inspired floral jewelry. I've created a makeup look as well, you can go and check it out here. So still I'll show you what all the products you can get. So this is the first one. This is the choker. How beautiful it is. Choker and the 2 earrings. I hope you can see them. And a ring. This as well. And a Mang Tika. Like this, you can wear it. 2 bangles. You will get these bangles. This one, which we can wear it for our ankles, like anklets. This is an anklet. This whole big flower is an anklet, which comes with the attached ring. I hope you can understand it. I think you can wear this product as a bracelet as well. See, this is how it looks. I think it looks so bridal, right? This is Bajuband. This is only a single product. This is actually a pair, okay? Just let me show you. See, this is a pair. And these are some hair accessories. These are actually the 4 hair accessories where you can fix them for hairs, creating bun, or for braids. You can also use like these type of flowers for, again, the hair designs. And the next one is this hairband, the crown, which you can wear like this. This is like this. I hope you can see it. So, and the last one is that you will get the nut as well. I'll just mention it here. You'll get the nut. I don't know where I kept it, but this is a photo of it. So in this product, as you have already seen, you'll get so many accessories, so many body jewelries in this. If you would like to buy, then DM me. Okay. So the fourth floral jewelry is the full set Haldi floral jewelry. This comes like this. This is a big necklace. You can wear it like this. So this comes with the pearls and a ring and a Mang Tika like this, and a pair of earrings and a pair of Bajubans. Sorry, you can wear these for a wrist as well as for as you wish. These are 2 products. And this is the last floral jewelry. This is specially meant to wear for your waist. So this is Kamar Band. This middle flower comes with pollens as an outline, and here side by side 2 flowers and a chain like this. So this is it for 4th floral jewelry. So this is the 5th and final floral jewelry set. So the first one is this choker. Again, this is also Radha inspired floral jewelry with yellow red set. This is the choker. A pair of earrings. I hope you can see them. This is how it looks from the back side. A ring. Bajuband. This is a single Bajuband. You can tie it for only either hand. This yellow red floral jewelry comes with so many flowers inside and attached ring. As I said before, you can wear it as an anklet or as a bracelet, which gives a so bridal look. And a pair of earrings. And a pair of bangles. Mang tika. It comes like this. I actually got the nut which we wear for the nose ring. I've kept it in this floral jewelry set. So this is how it looks. This is also the handmade, okay, purely handmade nut, nose ring, whatever you can say. And also there is one pearl below. And again the crown. I have made 2 crowns. And the final product of this floral jewelry set is again the hair accessories you can wear. So yeah, that's it. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any compliments regarding this video, then make sure to comment down. I'll notice and I'll reply to you. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to not miss any updates from my YouTube channel. So having said that, let's end up this video. Thank you for watching.